In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your W-2 tax return using TurboTax. Filing your taxes can seem daunting, but with TurboTax, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. Let's walk through this step by step so you can confidently tackle your tax return with ease. First, you'll want to head over to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. This is your starting point, where all your tax filing needs will be met. Make sure you have your W-2 form handy, as you'll be inputting information directly from this document. Once you're on the TurboTax website, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. This will help you save your progress and return to it later if needed. After logging in, navigate to the Income section of the site. This is where you'll begin entering all the income details required for your tax return. In this area, you will see a summary of wages and income. Click on this section to proceed. It's designed to help you track and review all your income sources, and this is where you'll focus on adding your W-2 information. Next, click on the Wages and Salaries W-2 option. This part of the process is crucial because it's where you will input the specific details from your W-2 form. Make sure you have your form in front of you, as you'll need to enter information such as your employer's name, address, and your earnings. Once you've located the Wages and Salaries section, you'll see an option to either revisit or start. If you've previously entered any information, you can choose to revisit and make any necessary updates. If this is your first time entering this information, go ahead and click Start to begin the input process. Now, you'll want to select Work on my W-2. This will take you to a page where you can enter all the necessary details from your W-2 form. TurboTax will guide you through each field, ensuring you don't miss anything crucial. It's important to double-check each entry for accuracy, as mistakes can delay your tax return. As you work through your W-2 information, TurboTax may prompt you with questions or additional steps depending on your unique tax situation. These are in place to help ensure that you're maximizing your potential deductions and credits. Once you've entered all your W-2 details, review everything on the summary page. This is your opportunity to ensure that all information is correct before you proceed to file. If everything looks good, you can continue with the rest of your tax filing process. And there you have it. Filing your W-2 tax return on TurboTax can be straightforward when broken down into these manageable steps. Remember, taking the time to ensure each entry is correct can save you time and stress in the long run. Thanks for tuning in, and happy filing.